here in the Lassen Mountains in California. That I'm excited. I'm headed up to winter storm warning. This entire park is built on, and so of course there's a lot of volcanic activity like that. As you all know, prepare. Yeah, we've already got some. This is down past my knees. Dumping right now. Look at all of this. This is just insane. And it is coming down so hard right now too. Look at the size of this drift. Pace of the snow. See, this is part of the benefit with being in a more civilized national park setting. The plow's making his passes. And the thing is, I want to get out of here actually sooner rather than later, even though it is probably going to snow another foot at least. Because there's another storm cycle coming quite soon after. And plowing is done mostly in the morning. So if there's too much snow on the road, I could be stuck here through that one, and having another 3 feet of snow drop on the van is a little precarious. Coming down at just an absurd rate, but I want to get down sooner rather than later so I can still see where the road is. All right, made it into the pullout on the move.